To Ramanujan B classes. As far as 10th class is concerned, today we shall discuss geometrical meaning of zeros of a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial we have studied earlier in 9th class. A polynomial having degree 1 is known as linear polynomial. Let us take a case. Fx is a polynomial in x variable, that is 2x minus 3. We have to find its zeros. What does it mean? Algebraically you can say that 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 2. Means if we replace x by 3 by 2, if we replace x by 3 by 2, it will make the given polynomial 0. This is the literal meaning of 0 of a polynomial. This is an algebraic expression. We shall represent it by graphically. We shall prove it geometrically how to find zeros of a linear polynomial. This is your, you name it, y is equal to 2x minus 3. Let's make a table to plot it on a graph sheet. Consider x is equal to 0. If we take x is equal to 0, it becomes minus 3. If we take x is equal to 1, it becomes minus 1. If you take x is equal to 2, it becomes 1. These values you can plot. See, this is your y-axis, this is horizontal x-axis, name it x-axis, y-axis is Cartesian plane, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Take equivalent intervals on y-axis also, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Let us plot this point, x0, y minus 3, this is the point, x1 minus 1, x1 y minus 1, this is the point, x2 y1, x2 y1. If we join these points with a smooth hand, we get a straight line like this. This straight line is doing one thing, that is intersecting x-axis at a point. This is the point. At value of x is 3 by 2. This intersect the x-axis. It means 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is the value of x, which makes the y 0. It makes the given polynomial 0. That is, we are supposed to find that value of x coordinate which will make the given polynomial 0. So this is the value of x, 3 by 2. If we replace x by 3 by 2, we get y is equal to 0. It means it makes the given polynomial 0. So 3 by 2 is known as 0 of the linear polynomial. This is the linear polynomial. If we consider graph of a quadratic polynomial may have at most two zeros. In quadratic polynomial you may have a graph like this, a parabola type graph. It means that parabola will intersect the x-axis at 2 points. This point as well as this, both will be considered as zeros of the quadratic polynomial. For example, we are given cubic polynomial, we get graph like this. Then x-axis is intersected at 3 points. These 3 points will be known as zeros of the cubic polynomial. So this was the case of linear polynomial. This was the case of quadratic polynomial. This one is for cubic polynomial. Like this, it is not always necessary that a given polynomial must have zeros. Sometimes it doesn't have real zeros. I think this is very much